Good morning, good evening, good afternoon. Welcome to my channel Education for Life. Today in this lesson we'll be learning about the Suez Canal. I have told you guys previously in my previous video that in this video we'll be dealing with Suez Canal. So if you want the chapter Geography's first lesson, you can just click on to my previous video and know about the chapter. So Suez Canal, its construction was literally started in the year 1859 and it took nearly 10 years for the construction to get over. So it was finally finished in 17th of November 1869. It almost took 10 years from 1859 to 1869. And moreover, the length of the Suez Canal is said to be 193.3 kilometers. So the famous fact about Suez Canal is that it connects the Mediterranean Sea to the Red Sea. Now let us visualize the Suez Canal in the whole of the world map. So Suez Canal is located near the Egypt. As you can see, I'm zooming to the near of Egypt. So here, as you can see, the sea we have got here is known as the Red Sea. You can see it is written over here, the Red Sea. So the Red Sea extends over to the Suez Canal, and over here we can see a small trait of land, trait of water, which is written over here. You can just see here, it is written over here, it is Suez Canal. The Suez Canal literally connects the Red Sea to the Mediterranean Sea or vice versa. It can be either, it's basically a link between the Red Sea and the Mediterranean Sea. So the Suez Canal is seen over here. You can see that a trait of water or a passage of water can be seen connecting the Red Sea, which is located over here, to the Mediterranean Sea, which is located on the other side. You can see over here, right? This is the Mediterranean Sea we have got over here. So the Suez Canal is basically a link between the Mediterranean Sea and the Red Sea. So between these two seas you have got a passage that is called the Suez Canal. So let me tell you guys about some of the interesting things about Suez Canal. The main reason for the construction of the Suez Canal was, now let me zoom out. So yeah, so over here we can see the Europe, right? On the top of Africa you can see a small part of land which is the Europe. Over here you can just see, right, the Europe. Now earlier in ancient times, travelers or the traders from Europe used to travel round Africa and reach India, which was almost a very long journey. It took them years and years for them to come from Europe to India. The main reason for the travel to India was to sell their goods like spices. Import of steel. We have learned this in our previous chapters in the 8th class, right? In the 8th history books, we have learned why Europeans had come to India, or why the Portuguese or the French or the Dutch have come to India. They have come to India in order to settle and use India as a trading spot. So that is the reason they have traveled the long distance and come to India. They have traveled all around Africa, about down of Africa, and come to India, and they are first and settled in Calicut. We remember that, right? So Calicut near Kochi, you can see over here, near Kerala, in Kerala. So now the main reason for the construction of the Suez Canal was to reduce the duration of the travel. By constructing the Suez Canal, the Europeans could now just come through the Suez Canal and reach India through the Suez Canal and reach India in no matter of time. It took them very less time for them to travel all around Europe, which is located over here, Europe to India through the Suez Canal, and it took them very less time than they traveled previously. Now the main usage was the Suez Canal offered them a lesser or a shorter route of about 1,000 kilometers. It was a very good idea, because on constructing a Suez Canal which is of 193.3 kilometers, they could save energy as well as travelers as well as fuel, which could be travel in less than 7,000, which could be used in order to travel or in order to save 7,000 kilometers. The difficulties that they found while traveling long distances were shortage of water, shortage of resources, shortage of energy, shortage of fuel, and opportunities to be hijacked by other ship members. So these were the things that they faced trouble, but now traveling through the Suez Canal, they could eliminate all these troubles and reach India in no matter of time with lesser difficulties and shorter route. So this was the main reason for the construction of the Suez Canal. And the point to remember in this case, if the Suez Canal's construction began in 1859 and it extended all through 10 years, and it got completed in 1869. So it took nearly 10 years and got finished in the year 17th November 1869. So I hope the concept of Suez Canal is clear to you guys. So if you like the video, please do like, share and subscribe. Thank you for watching.